The video is an ultimate guide to the 10 best things to do in the Finger Lakes, New York, for nature lovers. 1. Hike the spectacular Gorge Trail at Watkins Glen State Park. Start your nature adventure at Watkins Glen State Park, the crown jewel of the Finger Lakes region. This stunning park is famous for its 400-foot deep gorge carved by glaciers thousands of years ago. The main attraction is the Gorge Trail, a 2-mile path that takes you past 19 breathtaking waterfalls. You will walk through narrow stone tunnels and climb over 800 stone steps as the trail winds through the towering cliffs. The cliffs rise 200 feet above you on both sides. You will see famous waterfalls like Rainbow Falls and Cavern Cascade, where you can actually walk behind the curtain of water. The trail is moderately challenging and takes about 2 to 3 hours for the round trip. 2. Stand in awe at Taughannock Falls, the tallest single-drop waterfall east of the Rockies. Next, drive to Taughannock Falls State Park, located just north of Ithaca, on the western shore of Canandaigua Lake. This park is home to the tallest single-drop waterfall east of the Rocky Mountains. Taughannock Falls plunges 215 feet in one stunning, unbroken sheet of water, making it nearly 50 feet taller than Niagara Falls. The Gorge Trail is the park's signature experience. It is a nearly flat 0.75-mile path that follows the creek from the parking area directly to the base of the falls. The trail is paved and accessible, making it perfect for families with strollers. As you walk, the gorge walls rise 400 feet on both sides. You will end in a natural amphitheater of rock with the waterfall crashing down in front of you. 3. Explore the Grand Canyon of the East at Letchworth State Park. 3rd, drive to the western edge of the Finger Lakes region to visit Letchworth State Park, often called the Grand Canyon of the East. The Genesee River has carved a magnificent gorge through this area over thousands of years, creating cliffs that rise 300 to 500 feet on either side. The park features 3 major waterfalls: Upper, Middle, and Lower Falls. Middle Falls is the largest and most spectacular, especially at sunrise and sunset when light pierces through the mist. The Gorge Trail is about 7 miles long and runs alongside the river, offering breathtaking views of all 3 waterfalls. You can also drive to viewing points for Upper and Middle Falls if you prefer a less strenuous experience. 4. Walk behind Lucifer Falls at Robert H. Treman State Park. 4th, visit Robert H. Treman State Park, a 1,025-acre sanctuary just south of Ithaca. This park features 12 stunning waterfalls cascading through Enfield Glen. The crown jewel is Lucifer Falls, a dramatic 115-foot cascade that thunders through ancient rock. The Gorge Trail is a 2.2-mile path that climbs 800 feet along the creek, passing all 12 waterfalls. You will walk on hand-laid stone stairways built by the Civilian Conservation Corps in the 1930s, which adds a beautiful historical touch to your hike. The trail ends at the top of Lucifer Falls, where you can stand right next to the roaring water. At the bottom of the gorge, you will find a natural swimming hole at Lower Falls. This clear, refreshing pool has been a popular swimming spot for over a century. 5. Swim at the base of Buttermilk Falls and hike the gorge. 5th, head to Buttermilk Falls State Park, located just southwest of Ithaca. This park gets its name from the foaming, buttermilk-like appearance of the water as it rushes over the rocks. The main attraction is the 165-foot Buttermilk Falls, one of the most impressive waterfalls in the region. You can actually swim in a natural pool at the very base of the falls. A dammed area creates a safe swimming hole where you can cool off while looking up at the towering cascade. Lifeguards are on duty from late June to mid-August. The Gorge Trail is a 0.65-mile path that descends 600 feet through stone staircases built by the CCC. The trail follows Buttermilk Creek past a series of upper cascades and smaller falls. 6. Paddle the serene waters of Keuka or Cayuga Lake. 6th, get out on the water and experience the Finger Lakes from a kayak or paddleboard. Keuka Lake is a water lover's paradise, with calm waters framed by rolling hills and vineyards. At the southern tip of the lake, you can rent a kayak or paddleboard from local outfitters and explore the quiet coves and shoreline. The lake's unique Y shape offers interesting paddling routes and hidden spots. For a different experience, take a scenic boat tour on Cayuga Lake. These guided cruises operate from May through October and offer breathtaking views of the landscape. You will learn about local history while relaxing on the water. If you prefer a more active adventure, paddle the 4.5-mile water trail at Finger Lakes State Park. 7. Discover the rare white deer of Seneca Army Depot. 7th, take a guided tour to see one of the most unique wildlife spectacles in the world. The former Seneca Army Depot is home to the largest herd of white deer on the planet. These are not albinos. They have a rare genetic trait that gives them white coats with dark eyes and noses. The herd was discovered in the 1940s when the 10,000-acre depot was surrounded by a 24-mile fence. The fence protected the deer from hunters and predators, allowing the white deer population to thrive. Today, you can book a guided bus tour through the depot's restricted areas. The tours are led by knowledgeable guides who share the history of the depot and the story of these magical animals. 8. Climb the stone steps of the Cascadilla Gorge Trail in Ithaca. This trail is only about 1 mile long, but it packs in a stunning amount of natural beauty. The path follows Cascadilla Creek from downtown Ithaca all the way up to the campus of Cornell University. You will climb over 600 feet of elevation on beautiful stone trails built in the 1920s. Along the way, you will pass several impressive waterfalls cascading through the rocky gorge. The gorge walls rise dramatically on both sides, covered in lush green moss and ferns. This trail is a perfect option if you want a shorter but still exhilarating waterfall hike. It connects downtown Ithaca to the Cornell campus, making it easy to combine with a visit to the university. 9. Spot over 300 bird species at Montezuma National Wildlife Refuge. 9th, grab your binoculars and visit Montezuma National Wildlife Refuge at the north end of Cayuga Lake. This 10,000-acre refuge is the crown jewel of the region's birding sites. More than 300 species of birds have been recorded here, including over 100 species with active nests. The refuge is a critical stopover point for migratory birds along the Atlantic Flyway. During spring and fall migration, the waters host hundreds of thousands of ducks, geese, swans, and other waterfowl. You can drive the 3-mile wildlife drive, which takes you through wetlands, grasslands, and forest lands. The drive is open from April through November. 10. Enjoy a wine tasting with stunning lake and vineyard views. Finally, relax and unwind with a wine tasting along one of the region's famous wine trails. The Finger Lakes is one of North America's premier wine destinations, known especially for its world-class Rieslings. The Cayuga Lake Wine Trail is America's oldest organized wine trail, founded in 1983. It is an 87-mile drivable loop around Cayuga Lake, with stunning views of the water, Taughannock Falls, and the vineyards lining the valleys. You can stop at wineries like Hosmer Winery or Lucas Vineyards for tastings overlooking the vines. The Seneca Lake Wine Trail features nearly 30 wineries along the shores of the largest Finger Lake. Many wineries have outdoor patios where you can sip a glass of wine while gazing across the water.